Unveiling the secrets of cooking phrases, sauté until golden. Hello, and welcome to our cooking corner. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as golden as the delicious outcomes it promises. Sauté until golden. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about cooking terms, this video is designed to demystify this popular cooking instruction and help you master the art of sautéing. Let's get started and turn that curiosity into culinary confidence. First things first, let's break down sauté. To sauté is to cook food quickly in a minimal amount of fat over relatively high heat. The word comes from the French verb sauter, which means to jump. This refers to the way food might jump or toss in the pan due to the high heat. It's a technique that's cherished for preserving the texture and flavor of ingredients, making them crisp and delicious. Now, onto the golden part, until golden. This phrase is a visual cue rather than a strict timing instruction. It signifies cooking the food until it achieves a golden brown color, indicating it's perfectly cooked on the outside with a delightful texture and enhanced flavor. This golden color is often associated with a slight caramelization of the outer layer of the food, bringing a sweet, nutty flavor that can elevate the dish. The instruction, sauté until golden, is crucial for several reasons. It ensures the food is crispy on the outside. The golden color is a sign of the right level of crispiness, adding a satisfying texture to the dish. Flavorful. Achieving a golden brown color often means the natural sugars in the food have caramelized, enhancing the dish's flavor. Visually appealing. Golden brown food is more inviting, making the dish look as good as it tastes. To achieve the perfect golden sauté, consider these tips. Use the right pan. A heavy bottomed pan distributes heat evenly. Preheat the pan and fat. This prevents sticking and ensures even cooking. Don't overcrowd the pan. Overcrowding can lead to steaming instead of sautéing, preventing that golden color. Keep it moving. Stir or toss the food occasionally for even browning. There you have it, the secret behind the phrase, sauté until golden, revealed. It's not just a cooking instruction. It's a gateway to unlocking flavor, texture, and the visual appeal of your dishes. We hope this video has illuminated the path to golden perfection in your kitchen adventures. Happy cooking, and remember, the journey to great food is as rewarding as the destination itself.